She whispered softly, "This is my last birthday," her voice barely above a sigh, echoing a mix of sadness and quiet resignation. Life had been unkind to her in ways most could never imagine. She had endured hardships that left marks on her heart and soul, yet a spark of hope still lingered. As she spoke, he noticed the way her eyes held a universe of stories, memories both sweet and bitter, and he felt a sudden urge to make this day extraordinary, even if it was just a fleeting moment. He was a single dad, juggling work and parenting with the grace of someone who had learned the art of balancing life's demands. Despite his busy schedule, he always made time to notice the little things, the faint smile that tried to break through a tear, the subtle gestures that spoke louder than words. On this particular day, he saw her sit quietly on the worn sofa, hugging herself, and he knew that whatever he did, it had to come from the heart. The room was simple, yet cozy, filled with faint sunlight streaming through half-open curtains. A bed in the corner, neatly made but clearly intended for him, seemed to invite a decision that would change everything. He had been planning a small birthday gathering for her, but as he watched her sadness, he realized the true gift wasn't in decorations or cake, it was in comfort, in making her feel safe and cared for. He approached her, a gentle smile on his face, and quietly said, "You can take the bed tonight." She looked up, surprise and disbelief flickering across her face. His simple gesture carried more than just a place to sleep, it was a statement of compassion, a silent promise that she was valued, that her comfort mattered even over his own. This act of kindness was the kind of story that could inspire others to pay it forward. As she hesitated, he encouraged her softly, "Really, I insist. You need rest more than I do." The room seemed to pause, the air thick with emotion, as if the walls themselves recognized the significance of this small, yet profound, decision. She finally nodded, tears welling in her eyes, and whispered, "Thank you, for everything." In that moment, no words could fully capture the depth of gratitude she felt, nor the warmth spreading through her chest. He helped her settle in, adjusting the blankets gently, making sure she was comfortable. Then he stepped back, observing her from a distance, feeling a mix of satisfaction and quiet joy. This wasn't just about the bed, it was about showing empathy, about being a silent guardian who understood that sometimes the simplest gestures carry the deepest meaning. His heart swelled as he realized that compassion often speaks louder than any grand gesture. Later, he set up a small hidden camera, not to intrude, but to capture the genuine moments that unfolded, a smile, a soft laugh, a sigh of relief. These candid moments revealed the beauty of humanity, the impact of simple kindness, and the power of one person choosing to put another's needs before their own. Every frame became a testament to the quiet heroism of everyday life. The evening continued with laughter and small surprises, a cup of her favorite tea, a note tucked under her pillow, a soft playlist of songs she loved. Each act, though seemingly minor, built a mosaic of love and care that made her birthday unforgettable. It was a story of kindness in action, one that reminded everyone watching that life's true gifts are measured not in material wealth but in the depth of our empathy and generosity. As night fell, she whispered stories of her past, sharing memories she had kept hidden for so long. He listened without judgment, offering comfort in silence, proving that sometimes the greatest support is simply being present. She realized that this day, which began with quiet sadness, had transformed into a testament of human connection, compassion, and hope. He watched her drift off to sleep, feeling a sense of fulfillment that words could not describe. This single act of giving his bed, though small in the grand scheme of life, had created a ripple effect of positive emotions that would last far beyond the night. It was a story perfect for bedtime reflection, reminding us all of the quiet power of selfless deeds. The following morning, she woke up with a sense of warmth and gratitude she hadn't felt in years. She realized that her birthday, which she had once feared would be just another day of sorrow, had become a beacon of kindness. The single dad's actions had not only provided her comfort but also restored her faith in the goodness of people. Inspired by this experience, she decided to carry forward the kindness she had received. Small acts of generosity, subtle gestures of love, and moments of empathy became her mission. The story of that night became a tale she shared quietly with friends, family, and eventually through platforms like BYU Television, hidden cameras, and inspiring short videos that encouraged viewers to pay it forward. Over time, the story gained recognition for its simplicity and power. Positive pranks, unexpected kindness, and thoughtful gestures reminded the world that anyone, regardless of circumstances, could make a difference. Each viewer who watched the story felt motivated to reflect on their own actions and consider how small decisions could create profound impacts. The night he gave her his bed became legendary in their small circle of friends and community. It inspired discussions, emotional storytelling, and even bedtime reflections for children learning the importance of empathy. It was a timeless reminder that life is fragile, moments are fleeting, and every act of kindness counts. Ultimately, the story is a tribute to compassion, love, and humanity. She whispered, "This is my last birthday," but he made it unforgettable, not through grand gestures, but through a simple, heartfelt act that resonated deeply. It's a story meant to inspire viewer to act with kindness, cherish the people around them, and understand that sometimes giving a little of yourself can change your life forever.